In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this glass effect in Photoshop. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this particular picture, which I actually got from freepik.com. So if you head over to freepik.com and you search portraits, you'll be able to see pictures, similar pictures like this. You can also try unsplash.com and you can also try pexels.com. So back to Photoshop. So this is the picture I'm actually going to be using to create this glass effect. So the next thing you need to do is to create a new file. So I've created this file here, which is 1080 by 1350, the normal Instagram portrait size. So the next thing I need to do is to go to the rectangle shape. I'm going to create a rectangle like this from left to right. Ensure it's touching the edges. So I'm going to leave it like this. So I'm going to make this rectangle a gradient by clicking this and clicking this. So if you don't find this option, you can go to this top place here. At the top here, if you click, you can also see the same settings here. You can just click on gradients and then you have it like this. So the next thing we need to do is to ensure that we have this particular gradient duplicated across the screen. So I'm going to start by duplicating this. So I would continue duplicating this and ensure that it fills this entire frame. So now that we have our gradient shape duplicated across the screen, all we just need to do is to select the whole of this and then would group them by selecting Ctrl G, or you can just drag, and you see this group icon here, you can just drag them and drop them there. Then after grouping, you need to right click and convert this to a smart object. So after converting to a smart object, all you just need to do is to go to filter, go to distort, and then select 12. So from this option here, you have the option to toggle this, so you can adjust these angles like this. You can take it to the left, to the right, depending on your preference. So for me, I'm going to be leaving it like this, something like this. Yeah, I'm going to be leaving it at 273. So you can just do it whichever way works fine for you. So let me adjust it a bit more. So I'm leaving it at 281. Then I'll save this. So this is what I have. So all I've done is that I've created a texture that we are going to use to create a glass effect on our image. So the next thing you need to do is to save this particular texture on your PC as a PSD. So I'm going to save this and I'll title it texture 1. So after saving that as a texture, all you just need to do is to go back to your image. So this is my image here. Ensure your picture is a smart object so you can easily adjust the filters or the effects that you apply to it. So after selecting this, after converting it to a smart object, you go to filter, go to filter gallery, then go to distort. Then under distort, you select glass, and then you can see this little hamburger icon here. All you just need to do is to click it, and then you see load textures. So you can load in that texture that you already created. So I've loaded in my textures. So what I'm going to do is to zoom out so you can have a full view of this. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So from here, I have most of these adjustments already placed the way I want them, but you can just adjust them according to your preference. So for me, this is how I want it. So you can adjust the distortion, adjust the smoothness, adjust the scaling, and you can even invert it if you want. So for me, I'm going to just leave mine like this, and then I'll click OK. So this is our glass effect. Our glass effect is completely done now. So if you wish, you can take this to another level. So for me, I'm just going to try and do a little bit more editing to this to make it look better. So I just decided to play around with this to make it look like a flyer, or something related to that. This is not like a professional flyer, but I'm just kidding. This is just to add up some text and some other things on it. So if you intend to change the picture and to have another picture with the same effect, all you just need to do is to load in the second picture. So I'm loading in this picture, ensure it's the same size, and then you take it down. So on this new picture, you need to come down to the filter gallery effect, and then you drag it and place it on the new one. You drag it from the old one and place it on the new one. And then automatically you have the same effect on the new picture. So I guess this helps. I'm going to be giving out a texture pack, which is actually linked in the description below. It contains 5 different glass effect textures that you can use, and the layers in each of them is in a smart object, so you can easily bring in your picture, and all you just need to do is to bring in your picture and save it, and then you have the same effects. You can also adjust it to your preference if you wish. So check the description and you'll find it there. Anyways, thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be putting out more content on graphic design, AI, and tech. See you in the next one.